It's time now to create with Quimby. Now, if you're still looking for that holiday gift to give, you could always just make it yourself.
Yeah, check this out. These wood coasters, easy to make. They could be a great present. Honestly, they look so cool. I wouldn't even think that this was like a DIY. I'd be like, what cute craft store did you get these from? Well, joining us live to walk us through this project is our DIY diva expert. Shannon Quimby is here. Good morning.
Good morning, you guys. And you know what? That is the best compliment right there. If it's handmade and you fooled somebody thinking it's store-bought.
Right? That's what I'm saying. I saw this picture. I'm like, oh my gosh, what little home boutique did you find these at? But no, we can make these ourselves. I love it.
Yeah. So you're going to start off, you want 4 blocks cut at 3 3/4. This wood is hemlock, and you can get it at any Parr lumber location. I like it because it's really smooth.
Oh,
so 3 3/4 in a square, 4 of these, because it's 4 coasters.
Okay.
That makes sense.
Yeah.
And you mentioned too, your friends at Parr Lumber, they'll cut this to size for you, right? If you don't want to be getting out any wood saws or stuff at home, they'll make sure you're good to go when you leave. Okay.
Yeah, Parr takes care of you, man. I mean, I love them. I love them. So I know. And then you want 1-inch painter's tape, and these are the steps. It's really easy. So you're going to take the painter's tape, and the reason I'm telling you 1 inch, just follow me on this. You're going to make 1 row on the bottom of each square, okay? And then you're going to make another row on the second one on top, but you don't have to go all the way around, so just bear with me.
Okay.
Then the second is you make a 3rd row, and that one goes all the way around. So then you're going to peel back the 2nd row.
Oh, it's like a little measuring hack.
Yes.
You didn't have to get the ruler out.
Exactly.
Nice.
So I know. Now, next step then is you can use any stain you want. You don't have to use stain. You can use paint. I like to use this dark stain and a foam brush because if you use a bristle brush, it might splatter. And you're just going to dip up. Now listen, a little goes a long way. And if you've got a nice manicure, definitely use latex gloves. Okay? And you're just going to go all the way around that one section that we took the tape off. Okay? On the sides and so forth and like that.
Okay.
You're going to let it sit for about 15-20 minutes. And then you want to wipe the excess away when you're all done. See, quite a bit.
Oh, gotcha. Yeah. That's how you can like see the nice wood grain through it and all that. Yeah.
Yeah, that came on really black, didn't it? And then, then when you wipe, then you wipe away, you'll start to see the grain.
Oh, that's great.
And then it's very simple after that. And you just peel away, and you're going to get that nice edge like that.
Okay.
Okay. A tip: if you don't want the stain or paint to bleed, you want to maybe take like a used up credit card or gift card, and you really want to press in like this so it doesn't bleed inside the lines.
Oh, that's smart.
Gotcha. Make that seal really tight.
Okay. Yeah. So, and then, you don't have to do this, but I actually stained 2 of the 4 sides. I kind of gave it a little modern twist, as you can see, like I did 2.
Like that.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mix up the color scheme.
So then the next is you're going to create the base. And the base is going to be 4-inch square because it's going to be a little bit larger than the 4 coasters.
Oh, okay.
Take a Sharpie, and you're going to measure and mark a 1/2 inch on each corner. So you're gonna make
which you've already done through the magic of TV.
Yep. Then you're going to take a drill bit, a 5/16 drill bit, because that's going to coordinate with the 5/16 dowel that you're going to get.
Okay.
And you can get this at any hardware store. And you're going to drill the 4 holes through those dots.
Did you go? I can't tell on here. Did you go all the way through that wood block?
Yes, I did. Yes, I did. I went all the way through.
All the way through.
Good segue on that, Emily, because then you're going to cut that dowel, which dropped behind me.
Yeah,
it's all right. So 3 inches, you're going to cut 4 of them. And you're going to take then a little bit of glue, just whoop. I'm jumping.
Everything's jumping today.
I know.
This is what I look like when I try to DIY stuff.
So,
I know.
well,
It's that wood
this,
stain, man. It gets slippery.
right? And these just pop in. That's why that drill bit, the 5/16 is the same as the dowel.
Gotcha.
And you do that. And that, when you said, Emily, do we drill all the way through? Yes, because when you start to poke these through and they get up a little high, you can push down and that will make them even.
Oh, there you go.
That makes
That's
sense.
easy. That way you're not trying to drill holes to the same depth and get all funky.
You're not playing that game.
Okay, I like that.
No, not playing that game. Yeah. So then the same stain, you just want to stain the whole entire piece.
Mm-hmm.
Do the same concept, wait 15, 20 minutes, wipe off any of the excess stain. And then the last step is then you want to seal it because, right, we're going to be having moisture on these.
Right.
And you can take a wood polish conditioner. You can, once again, you can get this down at Parr. And then you just basically wipe around all the surfaces and the base, let it sit 15, 20 minutes, buff it out. It gets a nice little sheen on it too.
It
Yeah,
does.
I
I
like
was
that.
trying to figure out if you used a stain on the rest of the coaster and it's just a little wood polish.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. I know, isn't that pretty? Yeah. And then obviously if you're gonna do 4 coasters, you're gonna do these steps 4 times.
I love that.
Yeah, that's really nice. That's really nice. So you would have me fooled. I would have spent $49.95 at Home Goods.
Right?
And I don't need to.
Seriously.
Yeah, they're expensive. And you know what? Like you said, for a gift, it is a great gift because this is a classic gift, right? It never goes out of style. People still use coasters, believe you me.
Oh, absolutely. I'm a coaster fan, and it's great too. Holidays or anytime you have a housewarming party or something like that. What a great thing! And then you can say you made it yourself.
Totally.
Even more special.
Would probably even mean more when you give that for the holidays.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, Shannon, you're doing a giveaway, right?
Yes, exactly. And so once again, like we said, we're making gifts. Myself and Parr Lumber, we're actually giving this set away. And so you can go on Parr Lumber's Facebook page and or mine and check out for all the details, and maybe somebody will walk away and be happy with the new coaster set.
Oh, that's
Perfect.
fantastic.
Yeah, that's great.
Good stuff. Shannon, thanks so much for showing us how to make these. Happy holidays.
Happy holidays, guys.
So creative. And of course, if you want to make these yourselves, we'll put the instructions and list of materials for the project on coin.com. Be sure to follow Shannon Quimby and Parr Lumber on Facebook. You can enter that giveaway to get one of the ones that Shannon made.
Yeah, better than if I were to do it. All right.